What's up guys, it's New here again, and today we're going to be unboxing the Infinix Xpad20 tablet. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we are here with the box of the tablet, and on the front we can see the image of what we are expecting to see on the inside the tablet. Now on the side we can see the Infinix name. On the other side we can see the 11-inch Full HD plus 90 Hz eye care display, Infinix AI, now on XPAD, Helio G88, I think that's the chip, with 4G LTE connected, XPAD20. All right, let's get in there. Oh, the first thing we see is a cardboard with the Infinix on it, and yeah, this is the protective case that comes with it for free. Looks good, feels solid, yeah. And now we have the main event, the tablet itself. Yeah, let's open that up. Ooh. It comes with a screen protector already on it. Look at that. Feels like plastic. Yeah, it feels like plastic. It has a SIM tray. I think that comes with SD as well. It has a space for 3.5 mm jack and a USB-C with the speakers underneath. Dual camera setup, power button up here, set of speakers again, volume button. Now inside the box I got my receipts. I think this is a regional thing, because yeah, okay. Now in here we have another set of cardboards. Here we have our USB-A to USB-C cable. We have the charging brick, pretty light, feels like it's cheap, but that's okay. I greeted with this card, X-Park, whatever. Here we have our SIM ejector tool. It's okay. Yeah, that's pretty much everything you see in the box. Yeah, so if you liked this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and also you should subscribe if you want to see like the review and, you know, an update of how it functions and all. Thanks, see you next time.